Today we gonna introducing a Mercedes-Benz HU55 NTG5.5 Head unit memory card initialize tools. This storage card is from this Mercedes-Benz E-Class car NTG5.5 Head unit. No matter we insert the card to the laptop SD card slot or storage card reader slot, the memory card will not be recognized by the laptop. No storage card detected. Now we take out the card, put it into the dedicated card initialize tools, initialize the card to normal status. Supply power via the USB port to the tools. The indicator bulb begins to flickering. Press the button, the initialization process start. Wait until another indicator bulb flickering, the initialization process complete. Then take out the card from the initialize tools, insert it to laptop card slot. The laptop already can recognize card, and 2 GB size memory card been detected. After the card been initialized, then write the good data files to the card.